In the future, we will build up on these technologies to create robots that can assist anyone facing mobility challenge. Our goal is to provide ever better mobility for all, whether someone is traveling across town, across the country, or across the room.
The most important product development we're doing this year is actually the Optimus humanoid robot. This, I think, has the potential to be, so what happens if you don't actually have a labor shortage? I'm not sure what an economy even means at that point. That's what Optimus is about.
Mobility and robotics work and play well together. They naturally complement each other. Mobility technology will accelerate robotics technology and vice versa. We are enriching our mobility products and services with this new robotics intelligence.
Just carrying stuff from one place to another is useful. There are so many applications for that in semi-controlled environments, like in warehouses, like in general legacy in industry. Environments that have stairs, environments that are not going to be modified for the robots, where the robot that can go where humans go, but do something really simple, just, I don't know, carrying photo mask in a clean room from this machine through the room and up the stairs to another machine. That's an application that a company talked with us about. And they're paying very highly paid machine operators who are in a clean room environment quite a bit of money, and they're spending a lot of their time just as gophers, you know, carrying stuff around. So having a robot do that would be a really useful way to leverage the value of the human being.